This guy'll kill you to death inside of 3 rounds. This guy is a wrecking machine, and he's hungry.
Humor, these niggas making me laugh. A natural born hustler got to make that cash. A natural born freak, she gotta shake that ass. Anybody trying to eat, they gotta break that fast. Million crabs in a barrel, wanna make they splash. The quick way fast, nice niggas finishing last. It don't matter, yo, the speakers or the hammer can blast. I handle your ass, you slippin', I'ma take your stash. It's black ink, what you think is you ignorant or what? Life's a bitch, I tell you when I'm finished with this smut. Smoke token, power broken, brother, syndicate it up. See them spinning satellite dishes that's sitting on the truck. No, we'll drop fast till your lip and your jaw. Lady hitting me with the number like give me a call. I ain't doing no graffiti, but I'm quick on the draw. Paint a picture of a pistol while I'm kicking your door. Get on the floor, and I don't mean to dance tight, but all the DJs in the bar, the fancy lights. I'm talking about them rats and roaches, ants and mice. Cement floor, you nap for the rest of your life. Cause you's an amateur that rapping a professional mic. Who need to get his chin slapped with a professional pipe? Why? But then the cops will wanna cuff my wrist. That's not my twist, I'd rather blow the spot like this. I'm at a table with 5 chicks, that's not my bitch. Stupid niggas trying to figure how he got my bitch. Because I laid the law and hem it up, stitch by stitch. Play tough and I'ma cut you like you a sandwich. I'm just a calm, nonchalant, not giving a fuck type. And you all uptight, and you can't fuck right. And still you want a lady who just can't get enough right. Well, that's the reason that she with us, alright? Give me a life for this, split for hip, no cushion holding. Big wheels I'm rolling, bigger bills I'm folding. Cash flow controlling, accounts on swollen. 1 ounce on purple, another couple on golden. Twist this, I bake the whole project's biscuits. This kid is a trendsetter, y'all just misfits. With the gang, I've been better, y'all just been getting shit. Now this a life or death predicament. I step in with a vendetta, then start spitting shit. This big game just ridiculous. Y'all motherfuckers insignificant. I'm 357 magnificent. Stay playing with them bad bitches. You feeling me, man? You know y'all niggas ain't stopping the thing. Whoa, dog, see, I've been up on top of my game. Yo, dog, see, I'm never gonna change my name. You better pump your brakes, us, change your lanes. Because fam, you know they finna lift the semi-automatic band. They finna have him in the ghetto going at it, man. They bring it to your block and have it like Pakistan. Philly boys making noise, clinging like static. And them young cannons even jump out vans and leave you laid out, stiffer than a mannequin stands. You get sprayed out, clapped with mechanical hands that kick back hus. You and your mans that get zapped. Just keep thinking the inks that people's enjoy with. I cold-blooded kill shit, keep on doing it. Cause that's my pleasure, is the people's enjoyment. Gangsters holler at me if you seeking employment. Sure kid, that's only if you willing to learn. Cause it's a hard grind, but it got a heavy return. I seen some hard times, now I got cheddar to burn. But still got more cheddar to earn. This black ink, nigga. Fuck y'all.